Air India Flight AI-171 crashed on Ahmedabad, India. Nag-crash ang Air India airline on June 12, 2025. Matapos lang nitong mag-takeoff mula Ahmedabad, India, papuntang London. Less than a minute after takeoff, the plane crashed into the BJ Medical College hostel. There were 230 passengers, 2 pilots, and 10 cabin crews, which totals to 242 people on board. Sa kabila ng trahedyang ito, himalang may isang nakasurvived at ang pangalan niya ay si Bishwash Kumar Ramesh, isang British citizen. Ayon sa kanya, nakaupo siya sa Seat 11A, malapit sa emergency exit.
Everything happened in front of my eyes. I don't know how I survived. For some time I thought I was also going to die, but when I opened my eyes I realized that I was alive, and I tried to unbuckle myself from the seat and escape from where I could. It was in front of my eyes that the air hostess and others died. After the takeoff, within a minute, it felt like the plane came to a standstill for 5 to 10 seconds. I could feel engine thrust increasing to go up, but it crashed with speed into the building.
Ayon kay Dr. Dhaval Gameti, ang doktor na unang tumingin sa kanya, disoriented siya, maraming sugat sa katawan, pero out of danger naman. Narito ang boarding pass niya. Patunay na siya ay kabilang sa flight at ang kanyang passport bilang pagkakakilanlan. Ito ang seat map ng eroplano, kung saan nakaupo si Ramesh. According to Flight Radar 24, the plane only climbed to 625 feet before rapidly losing altitude. Just 30 seconds after takeoff, it vanished from radar and crashed into a nearby building. Sa loob ng wala pang isang minuto, daan-daang buhay ang nawala. Isang masakit na paalala na wala tayong kontrol sa lahat ng nangyayari. Sa mga naiwang pamilya, our deepest condolences. Follow Chika Drop para sa mga latest chika.